went to the shop to get Coco his favorite snack.
Yo, I feel like a celebrity, bro. Everywhere I go, I got cameras behind me.
It's my day. Serve it up. I am Coco, and this is my life. They say I'm a pure Scottish fold, and that I'm a special breed. I'm 10 months old, but they still treat me like a baby. But it's okay, I still love them. They feed me, and play with me, and give me treats. They are very annoying at times, though. I'm the boss of the house most of the time. I also have to get up and catch prey for them. But when I get tired, I sit. And when my humans come back home, I show myself off to them. Like this. Look, I'm cute. I'm tired. These days I'm sad. Nobody plays with me anymore. All they care about is the new baby. It makes me sad. But it's okay, when she grows up I can play with her. It's time to say bye, I guess. Thank you for watching me. This is not the best angle, please. Stop.